Nestled deep in the mountains of North Carolina, bordering one of the most remote areas in the country, is what many call the best dirt road in North Carolina. So what makes a great dirt road? Well, it's different for everyone, but for us it boils down to these 6 things. Challenging, but not too advanced and not too technical. Lots of free dispersed camping sites. Views and interesting sights along the route. Actually goes somewhere, not an out and back road. Not too long, 10 to 20 miles is perfect for us, and has hiking trails and stops along the way to keep it interesting. And now that you know that, you can better understand it when we ask, is this the best dirt road in North Carolina? Today we're going to find out. Hi, I'm Owen of Van Trekking Lifestyle, and this is one of our favorite dirt roads, the National Forest Road NC 105. Come along with us. It's going to be a bumpy ride. Wow. Oh guys, this has gotten a lot worse.
Which way are you going?
I'm gonna try to go over here.
Needless to say, my heart was beeping fast on that one. Holy moly.
Holy shiitake mushroom. I'll tell you what, without the lift on this Ekko, we could not have even attempted that. Grant and guys at Freedom Van Go, you did a wonderful job putting that on there. The bigger wheels and tires, everything helped. We were just at the minimum of what we needed to get across that. And that, I don't know what it looks like on camera, but
yeah,
those are 3-foot drop-offs on this road. It gets rough.
You did a good job.
See if we can figure out what scraped.
Yeah, it did scrape a little bit.
Something scraped.
Yeah. I think we're okay.
I think it was this step. Sometimes it opens up and you get a view like this. Here's the low point on the back of the van, and it hit it just then. But I should be able to straighten it back out.
One of the things that I like about a good forest road is if you have a destination like a good hike or a good place you could eat lunch or something.
Old North Carolina 105 is one of those. Lots of places you can stop and eat lunch, and also has this handicap accessible hike out to Wiseman's View, which you can see the Brown Mountain Lights. If you don't know what those are, Google it. That's a cool thing. And you can see the cliffs over the very first National Wilderness Area, the LInville Gorge area. Really cool thing to do.
Rusty red on her shoulder, I was cleaning her shoe when it clicked on the trot over in the bright morning dew. We brushed and we braided dandelions and chewed. It was a mutual arrangement we both saw into. Can she walk in the fire? Can she run in the rain? Can she make it up the mountainside? Can she make it down again? I have often wondered if she'll go and jump the fence. Will she keep on moving onward or stay in what could have been? Broke my arm in December, we were running for the thrill. You turned in the canyon to the snowbank where I fell. Even still I remember knowing she could feel it too. Was a mutual arrangement, we both knew what to do. Had a star on her forehead that was easy to find. When I let down her bridle, saw into her hazel eyes. We had a deep understanding, never had to use a bit. Was a mutual arrangement and an honest respect. Can she walk in the fire? Can she run in the rain? Can she make it up the mountainside? Can she make it down again? I have often wondered if she'll go and jump the fence. Will she keep on moving onward or stay in what could have been? Will she keep on moving onward or stay in what could have been?
for about 2 hours now, and we just now reached the summit of the mountain. We'll be going downhill now for the rest of the ride on the road.
Howdy, I leave you enough room?
We're good. We're good. You guys having a good time?
Yes, sir. This is the first for me coming
Is
up here.
it?
Yep.
Good. You going all the way to the end?
Yeah, we're gonna go to LInville Falls.
There's probably some 3-foot ruts in there, so just pick your line and go. Have fun.
All right, buddy. Nice overlander.
Well, thank you, brother. We appreciate
Y'all be
it.
safe.
Be safe. Fan belt. Ooh, that's bad. So this isn't for everybody. We'd be the first to tell you that. And in fact, if it were not for me, I'm pretty sure Lynn and I would not do this, because she likes doing it, but it really does get your blood pressure up. But we just met that young couple there. He just told us that it's his first time doing this. You could just tell how excited he is.
Yeah,
So
it's pretty cool.
it's a fun thing to do, but it's not for
adventure.
It is an adventure.
It's an adventure.
It's a trek.
We said we hadn't seen much mud, but you might
Okay.
need to put it in mud and rut or something.
Okay, I've got it in mud and ruts. We were saying we thought we were through with most of the hard stuff, but this looks like it might be a challenge. It might not be. Let's see. Look at that campsite there, though. Look at that. Oh, it's not muddy. I think they just flattened out a lot of the.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is okay. Here, we can do this.
Shoot, I thought that was.
Ooh, if
looked
that
like
was
a
mud, that would
mess.
it'd be fun, but it sure would make a mess.
Ooh, no wonder we're right behind a frickin' scraper.
We found a spot that we're going to stop that has that view we were looking for lunch. We can see Lake James. Look at this. Lunch with a view. Can't beat the view though, can you? All right, so is it the best dirt road in North Carolina? I think we think so. If you know of a better one, Lynn and I really hope you'll share it with us in the comments down below. Like we said, this is not for everyone, but if this is in your blood, like it's in my blood, then we hope you enjoyed this week's episode. We're glad you're part of our journey, whether it's at a state park, a national park, or a dirt road. See you down one of these dirt roads one of these days. Let's go on to the next adventure.
It's not letting me kiss the pavement.
It was
just long. It's just such a long, drawn-out process. It just seems like it takes forever. It wears on you. All that noise, the constant rattle, and then I'm just stressed. We're not done.
Continue on Patterson.
Damn it.
Oh, baby, I'm sorry. I know you love me.
I do. I do.